Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is part 2 of the definitions of corrosion. First definition on this part 2 is the corrosion by the ISO, International Standard Organization, which states physico-chemical interaction between a matter and its environment, which results in changes in the properties of the matter and which may often lead to the impairment of the function of the matter, the environment, or the technical system of which these form a part. This definition by Nace, which states that corrosion is a naturally occurring phenomena commonly defined as the deterioration of a material, usually a metal, that results from a chemical or electrochemical reaction with its environment. This definition given by the IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Corrosion is an irreversible interfacial reaction of a metal, metallic, ceramic, polymer, with its environment, which results in consumption of the material or in dissolution into the material of a component of the environment. This definition is given by Schreier and his colleagues. The formation of passive oxide film on corrosion-resistant alloys conforms with the transformation definition of corrosion, but not with the deterioration definition. In these examples, the rate and the extent of the reaction is not significantly detrimental to the metal concerned. This is a definition of the corrosion, which states that the corrosion is a reaction of metal with its environment, irrespective of the extent of the reaction or of the rates of the initial and subsequent stages of the reaction. This definition is given by Danis. Corrosion is the deterioration of metal or its properties. This definition is given by Jones D.A., which states that the corrosion is the destructive result of chemical reactions between a metal and the environment. This definition by Jones, which states that corrosion is the destructive result of chemical reaction between a metal or metal alloy and its environment. This definition is given by the ISO, International Standard Organization, that states corrosion is the physico-chemical interaction between a metal and its environment, which results in changes in the properties of the metal and which may often lead to impairment of the function of the metal, the environment, or the technical system of which these form the part. This definition given by the P.R.O. Burge, which states that the corrosion is the destructive attack of a material by reaction with its environment. This definition by the ASM, which states that the deterioration of materials due to reaction with their environments. This definition given by the McGraw-Hill Dictionary, which states that the corrosion is the gradual destruction of a metal or alloy due to oxidation or action of a chemical agent. This definition is by the Corrosion MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which states that the corrosion involves chemical reactions in which the original material reacts with the chemical agent to form a new compound or to dissolve into the chemical agent, in both cases involving charge transfer. This is gained by the Corrosion MIT, which states that the corrosion in aqueous solution is an electrochemical reaction that involves charge transfer, either oxidation involving loss of electrons or reduction involving gain of electrons.